Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software from your Red Magic 8 Pro. So in the first step, if you see something like that in your notification bar, or something like that when trying to visit inside or just spamming pop-ups, that means you have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So now I'm going to show you the first method. In the first step, we have to open the settings, then go to the applications, misclick, and tap on the app info. Now check all the apps in this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name, just open it and click on install button, configure it by OK. And after that, in the second step, go back to the app list and now look for your web browser. Now choose the storage and cache and tap on the manage data. Now tap on the clear all data and choose OK. After that, your web browser shall be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. So go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so you can download this one or just pick something from here, but remember to choose the trusted company. Okay, in the Avast, we have to tap on the continuous free and on the green circle. Then choose OK and add a permission to the files. Go back to the Avast. And now the scan started, and after the scanning process, all of the unwanted softwares should be removed from your phone. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, a recommend, and goodbye.